Hey, this is Samad Mayo and you're watching Mayo Says. In this video, I'm just going to talk about how you can increase your Google Ads performances. For example, if you're working on your own business or your client business and you want to improve the net CTR as well as the Google Ads performances to enhance and grow the landing pages and the businesses, to increase conversion rates, to increase ROI as well, return on investments. So today I'm just going to talk about how and what steps and practices you must follow in order to increase your Google Ads performances of your campaigns. So let's just jump onto the computer screen. Hello everyone. So today we are just going to talk about how you can improve your Google Ads performance. So Google Ads are actually the sponsored ads on Google search engine where you have to improve your Google Ads if you are running Google Ads for your clients or for your own business. So improving Google Ads means like you have to improve your quality score for your Google Ads, you have to improve your landing pages, you have to improve your click-through rate, and I have already posted a video about how you can improve your Google Ads CTR by some regular practices. So today I am just talking about how you can improve your complete Google Ads performance. So table of content is here is, and so going to the first is use keywords. Using the target keyword as well as the relevant keywords helps you in improving your performance of your Google Ads. It helps your ads in the Google search engine to get more impressions, to get more clicks. So you have to target your main keyword as well as you have to target your relevant keywords to increase the performance of your ad. So this increases using the Google keywords, such keywords that are you targeting them. So this increases your click-through rate and helps in quality score. Now keep it short. You don't have to go for longer ad campaigns. You have to keep them short and to the point. And number 3 point is strong CTA. So CTA means call to action. Strong CTA increases CTR. And you have to tell your reader to take an action, like to learn more about it or to buy now. This help them to take the desired action that you want that. So it increases your CTR as well while having a good CTA. So CTA is good CTA refers to good CTR rate for your Google Ads, and hence you will have good performance of your Google Ads. Now relevance. Relevance is one of the most important things that you have to keep them up and keep in your mind. Like relevance should be of your industry with the keywords, of your industry with the image, and of the industry with the interest. So you have to look at your ad from every angle, like targeting the right keyword, putting the right images, and targeting the campaign to the right people. So you can add some authentic data depending upon the type of ads you are creating. So you have to be relevant with your landing page. Your landing page where you are sending your traffic to, that landing page should be the one that have high engagement rate and should be relevant to your Google Ad campaign. This helps in Google Ads performances. Now you have to keep in mind these 3 things: the trust, the quality of the landing page, and testimonials. This enhances your conversion rate and hence good Google Ads performance as well. So you have to be like checking out your landing page speed, the color theme, good ad copy. Now second thing is relevance. It should be relevant to your targeted keywords. If your landing page is a good one about any industry but it is not relevant to your ad, it would not work for you. And number third is the authority. Authority comes from trustfulness, and trustfulness comes from giving value to your desired customers, like giving them some free tools to use, and not to be something like in a way to raise some conversions or sales, but to keep your audience, the targeted audience, on your landing page or on your business website. So these are some paid searches that you can check them out, and this can be some um, like depending upon your organic search engines, organic approaches, as well as some uh, paid search approaches. So you have to be like here it is, uh, checking it out like everywhere. Free vector, free Google Slides, everything is free here, free vectors. So this enhances the engagement rate of your audience, of your desired visitors on your website, on your business platform. Furthermore, you can charge them up with your business strategy and your business plans. So now some words, you have to use some cool words to that feels like cool ones, like here you can check them out. Free Google Slides themes, free vector icons, stock photos, and like everything is like just feeling cool. Your meta descriptions, discover the best Google slide themes and PowerPoint templates. So this like make add things cool to increase your Google Ads performances. Test and optimize. This is one of the things that you have to try it out. Like you have to test a different version of your ad copies, and check out one of the best one of them, and to determine how effective these are. So you have to continuously test new campaigns and optimize and improve your results over time. You can then later on you can go with the best performers to scale them up and enhance your businesses. So some sites where you can learn Google Ads is Skillshop, Coursera, YouTube Digital Garage, Udemy, and Simple Learn. Mobile searches are here, you can check them out, some mobile searches. So your depends upon where you are targeting your audience, you have to know about that. So mobile searches as well as the desktop searches, you can target both of them. It was a short Google Ads performance tutorial for you. Hope that you got it, and meet you next time with some good videos. Don't forget to subscribe me on Myosays, because I bring some good videos for you about digital marketing and improving your Go business and YouTube automation and much more. You can find them out on my YouTube channel. So thank you and have a good day.